Hi. Are you finger painting? Ooh, very pretty. Yeah, Daddy's outside, isn't he? He's in the garage today. Let me wipe off our finger. Because we're Caitlin's. Right? What you drawing, huh? Oh, hang on, Mommy taped the paper down. Ooh, I use some red on your thumb. Okay. Close the red. Want Mommy to do it?
Close and cut.
Close the orange.
Not close the.
Close the yellow.
Close green.
Close the green.
Close blue.
Close the blue. There we go.
Papa.
All done. You're done with your painting?
No.
No, you're going to paint some more? Okay, so we're going to open them back up? Okay. Got it?
Yeah.
You need help with the yellow? You got the orange. There we go. Now do the red. Oof. Good job.
Good job.
Good job. This is cool stuff, huh? Only shows up on the paper. What you gonna do next? How about some more red? Let's put some red on this side. Yep, there's the red. Nice job. Bye 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 bye.